Hi everyone, thanks for joining me here today. Just got a quick tip. Here's the loop we were working on the other day. Right, let's say we want to distort our kick drum. Now, I really like this asymmetrical distortion from Serum. It sounds like this. As you can tell, the low end's getting mad screwed up, so we filter it. But the problem with that is that we kind of lost that low end grit we had before. So if I turn it off and on, A/B it and let you see the difference. That nice low frequency thing we got going on. So what you might do is layer in a bit of the original. That doesn't really help us, but if we flip the phase of the original that's layered with the distorted version, we get this. So we've managed to add the distortion that we wanted and keep the nice low end thing we had going on. And this will work with a whole load of different things. It's not just distortion, you can do it with like phasers, flanges, reverbs. Sometimes it can sound real nice, other times not so much, but do give it a try, and I hope this helps. Have a good day.